मेरी औरत बोल रही थी अभी पैसा नहीं है तेरे पास तो काहे को जा रहा है. मैंने ठीक है. She didn't want me to. She said keep the camera and wait till the pandemic gets over. Friends, this is Mr. Sundar Vedkar. We have been friends for almost 25 years. He is a great technician. But the most important thing about Sundar, he is an absolutely genuine guy. He is very honest. He is very reasonable. And he has helped me a lot. From the time I became a photographer, and I had a collection of old cameras, about 250 old cameras, memorabilia, whatever you call it, collection of old antique cameras. He used to get them cleaned for me and all. I used to charge me very reasonable. Thank you, Suhail. So, today I took a bus. I'm not going through a very good phase. I took a bus, and the bus does not go towards Fort because of some problem going on the road. So I got up at VT and I have come to Sundar Vedkar's thing. This is his shop. I'll show you this is Bora Bazaar. You have all the shops around here. Nikon and Reliable. All these shops are there. That the other end is Reliable. And this is Zoom. MK Amin Mark. I've been coming here for last maybe 25-30 years. So this is the thing. That is Mahinder's photo store. He's another friend of mine. But Sundar Vedkar is a thorough gentleman. और सर जी बताओ, आपको ये लाइन में कितने साल हो गए? आ जाओ ना, निकाल दो ना, मास्क निकाल दो. ये और कुर्सी उधर ले लो, स्टूल इधर ले लो. हाँ चलेगा. आपको इस लाइन में कितने साल हो गए?
ये लाइन में कम से कम 25 साल.
आपको ये लाइन किससे सिखाई थी? आपका गुरु कौन था?
मेरा गुरु ऐसे हम लोग ऐसे पहले बचपन से ही काम करते हैं. गुरु ऐसे ही नहीं.
अच्छा, अभी तो आप गुरु हो.
हाँ, अभी नहीं.
और यही बाजार में थे आप. मुझे आपका याद है बहुत पहले जब आप शुरुआत में सीढ़ी के नीचे बैठते थे. आपने मेरे हिसाब से जितना स्ट्रगल किया है बहुत कम लोगों ने स्ट्रगल किया है, सुंदर जी. और मैं ना आपके बारे में दुनिया भर को सबको बोलता हूँ आपके बारे में कि आपसे आके मिले वो. सुंदर इज सच अ गाय. ही सीन दैट आई एम गोइंग थ्रू अ वेरी बैड फेज and my cameras were lying at home for last 2 years and he's servicing them. I could go to Canon also, but my situation is not very good. And I told Sundar, ऐसे जब मेरे दिन अच्छे आएंगे ना मैं तेरे को खुश कर दूंगा. तो बोला सिर्फ पेड़ा खिला देना. So this is Sundar's shop and these are the cameras and everything he has repaired. I mean, believe me, I have met a lot of technicians in my life. I have nothing against them. But the only one in 25 to 30 years that I found really honest, 25 years. I have known him since the time he was working under a staircase. On the road beyond this, he was working on a staircase. वो भी दिन आपके बड़े अजीब थे. So if you guys have any problem with your cameras or your lenses, or even if you need anything, he is a thorough gentleman. I mean, in my life, again I'm repeating it, he has never abused his friendship with me, neither have I. I had given him my camera, he had told me to come back in 3 or 4 days. I told him, take your time. And today I just sent him a message that his post on my Instagram had gone viral, And he smiled and he said, no, come and collect your cameras. So this is Sundar Vedkar, very few people you will find like him. And this is his workshop, come store. And these are all some of the accessories that he has. A lot of friends of mine have been coming to him. अच्छा सुंदर जी, कितने बजे तक खुले रहते हैं आप?
4 बजे तक।
सी, और सुबह 11, from 11 till 4 p.m. From 11 till 4 p.m. is his timing. From 11 to 4 p.m. is timing. And those are my cameras he's cleaning. I have 2 cameras, 7D and 60D. I bought them in 2011 or 12. I bought one for my granddaughter Marzia, and the other one was given to me as a gift by my boss, Mr. Kishore Bajaj of Bada Sahab. I had worked for Kishore ji for many years, and seeing that I was interested in photography, he gave me the camera. It's with a motor drive, and I'm trying to sell them both. And if I do get some more money on top of that, I'll go and buy a full frame camera. But at the moment, things are really, really, really bad. Yesterday, I was at Mr. Shakti Kapoor's house. I was lucky. He gave me some work. He's shooting for an ad at Poonawala Bungalow today. It's for an ad. I did the costume of the ad, and I was there at his house at Juhu. So this is. और कुछ बोलना चाहोगे आप सुंदर जी?
अभी थोड़ा काम करते बाद में क्या बोलेंगे, ओके?
See, this is the thing about him. He hardly talks about himself. Never, never, never. I am the one that keeps on promoting him because he deserves to be promoted. Hi friends, I am at Sundar Bhedkar's store, Zoom, and there he is. And I came by bus, and now, believe me, you guys will laugh, but I shall walk from here till Crawford Market. I got to buy some accessories for my bird cage. I have a colony of Java sparrows. These were actually few. I had bought it for my granddaughters maybe 6 years back, and the colony grew. So there are few things that I need from Crawford Market, and then if possible from Crawford Market I'll walk till Bindi Bazaar and then visit Pedro Baba's Dargah. It's about. Hi Minaz bhai, sorry I've not been in good health, sir. For last couple of days I've stopped walking, and at the moment, as you see, I've come here to. There are many other shops here also. Let me tell you that there is Reliable belonging to Shyam and Harshit. They are also very good friends of mine. There used to be Mr. Subhash Solanki, but I think he sold one of his shops. He was my oldest contact, and this is the lane that is Bora Bazaar. This is an entire camera and accessory lane, and so this is it. That is Mahindra Photo, Mahindra Bhai. He's also all the latest cameras, accessories you can buy from him. Then, I mean, lot of shops I have never visited. I only go to Reliable. And then on this road, if you go ahead, there's Angel Photo, there's Vibgyor, and then there is PSI. PSI is Photographic Society of India, an almost 80-year-old club, camera club where I have been associated. This is my camera. This is my camera. They have serviced it. This is 7D with a battery pack. If any of you guys are interested, let me know. Give the cards. I have a lot of cards. I have 2 batteries. Because mostly now, as you know, I've been using the mobile phone. And though I shoot JPEG and RAW, I don't make prints at all. I used to once upon a time when I used to do this camera salon, etc. So this is his workshop. This is how he works. He's an excellent worker. He's an excellent technician and I recommend him. Hi Minhas bhai. Thank you Minhas bhai. I am alive. That is the most important part. He is a very low profile technician, does not show off, keeps to himself, does not mix around. And so now I shall end this video here. Wish you all the best. And if you all want Sundar's address, number, please contact me or send me a DM. And hi Noor bhai, I will be sending you his number and his address. You can meet him anytime you want. Thanks a lot.